Hey everybody, welcome to Hilltop Machine Works. Well, hey guys, it's Tom here, back in the shop. Got a little different kind of video for you today. But first off, I want to say thanks to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. The channel is growing thanks to you guys. And if you hadn't hit that subscribe button, hit that red button down there for me. I'd appreciate it. We are close to 1,000 subscribers, so that is exciting. Can't wait to hit that benchmark. So subscribe, like, share, comment, and let your friends know about the channel. I'd appreciate it. So what we got today is, if you remember in the recent mail call, I picked up this cold air gun. This is a generic cold air gun. It's not the name brand cold air gun. So I'm curious, you know, how well it's going to work. So that's what this video is going to be about. We are actually going to put this to the test and see if it works or see if it's a gimmick. So let me turn the camera around. We'll get down here and I'll explain the way we're going to attack this and see what our results are. So in front of you is everything I think we need. So what I want to do here is I've got 2 blocks, same size, same thickness, everything. And what we'll do is we'll take the cold air gun and we'll blow cold air from that air gun for a minute on this one, and we'll check it with the IR thermometer. Of course, we're going to get a baseline reading before we start, and then we'll just run it. I got the air hose and I'll blow on this one for a minute. That way we kind of get a baseline of how cold the air is coming out of the compressor to start with, and then we'll compare these two and we'll see if this thing is actually worth the money or if it's just a gimmick. So let me get this all stuff set up and get the camera situated, and we'll let the test begin. So here's my pad. So let's get some numbers. I'll read this, and it's showing 59 degrees. So start, and then what we'll do is we'll do this for a minute. I've got my line here, so this is where the air hose is going to be. I've got the PSI set at 50. Hopefully this nozzle is pretty much close to this nozzle. That's the only variable that we can't control, is the volume coming out. So hopefully it's the same on both. But we'll give her a shot and we'll see what we can do here. Ready? Here we go. So it's fluctuating between 59.5 degrees to about 60 degrees, so it warmed the block up just a smidgen. Alright, let me get the cold air gun situated. Now let's read block number 2, and it is at 59.5 degrees. And by the way, it is 62 degrees in the shop. Alright, I got the cold air gun set up. Get our timer going, and I'll get the air running. And here we go. It does seem like the volume of air is not as much as coming out of the other straight gun coming from the air compressor. Alright, and let's see what I got. 58.5 degrees. Wow, it dropped it a one whopping degree. Ah. Alrighty. So, I guess time will tell if this air gun is actually worth the money or not. Obviously, $35 is a lot better than $330, what the name brand sells for. But I don't know. I was expecting better results. Maybe it's better if it's a lot warmer in the shop. The ambient temperature is a lot hotter, or if your part is a lot hotter and it can cool it down. I guess maybe we could try another test and put like a 100-degree part in there or something, and then see how much it would bring it down with just compressed air versus the cold air gun. So let's try the heat test. What do you think? Figured I might as well use the old Hot Shot 360 that I got. So I got it set at 125 degrees and got the two parts in there. We'll let it get up to 125. We'll let those two blocks get nice and warm to help simulate a hot part, either on the lathe or on the milling machine. And we'll pull it out and we'll test them that way, and we'll see, hopefully there's a drop. Well, the blocks have been in the oven for over an hour, so let's pull them out and just run with whatever temp they are and see how much it drops using the cool gun versus just compressed air. All right, let's see what we got. It's like 80 degrees. I like it a little warmer, but oh well, we'll go with it. And let's get our timer going here. Ready, and let's roll. Alrighty, we're at a minute. So we went from 80 to 70 degrees, so it dropped 10 degrees blowing just compressed air. Let me get the other one and the cool gun set up. Alright, it should cool down a little bit while I was trying to get the GoPro on. Looks like we're about 81 degrees. Let's run the cool air. Yeah. Alright. And we're at 71 and a half. Of course the phone had to ring. Alright, so they both did basically a 10-degree drop using just compressed air and using the cold air gun, the generic cold air gun. So you know, maybe we need to have the blocks hotter. Don't know. I guess the jury is going to be out on this product. It'd be great if we had a, you know, genuine cold air gun to see how it compares to this generic cold gun. But you know, you guys can come to the conclusions you want. But for me, I think it just regular compressed air would work just as well right now. So, anyways, thanks for watching.